Welcome everybody, today I will be reviewing the Lenovo desktop PC. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out. The Lenovo desktop PC gaming bundle is an exceptional package that delivers a fantastic gaming and multimedia experience at an impressive value. From the sleek design of the computer tower to the vibrant 24-inch curved monitor, this bundle has everything you need to dive into gaming or handle everyday tasks with style and efficiency. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor with a blazing speed of 3.6 GHz and 16 GB of RAM, it handles multitasking, gaming, and multimedia applications effortlessly. Whether you're editing videos, streaming, or gaming, the performance is consistently smooth and responsive. The inclusion of the NVIDIA GeForce GT 1030 with 2 GB of dedicated memory provides a decent boost in graphics performance, making it capable of running a variety of games at modest settings. While not a high-end gaming GPU, it's perfect for casual and mid-level gaming as well as rendering high-definition visuals for other applications. Paired with the 24-inch curved monitor, you get an immersive visual experience that makes every frame pop with clarity. The curvature of the screen adds an extra layer of engagement, whether you're battling foes in your favorite games or watching your favorite movies. Storage is another highlight of this bundle, with a fast 512GB SSD offering ample space for your games, files, and software while ensuring quick boot times and snappy system responsiveness. Windows 10 Pro comes pre-installed, providing a professional and user-friendly environment that's ready for both work and play. The inclusion of Wi-Fi capability ensures seamless connectivity, making it easy to get online and enjoy your digital content without a hitch. The RGB accessories, including the keyboard, mouse, and speakers, add a touch of flair to your setup. The customizable lighting not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also creates a dynamic gaming atmosphere. The keyboard and mouse are responsive and comfortable to use, while the RGB speakers provide clear and immersive sound to complete the experience. Overall, the Lenovo desktop PC gaming bundle is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a balanced combination of performance, style, and functionality. It's ideal for casual gamers, multimedia enthusiasts, and everyday users who want an all-in-one solution at an affordable price. With its renewed status, it delivers outstanding value, ensuring that you can enjoy a top-tier experience without breaking the bank. Highly recommended. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out.